So a brief video here. A few days ago on Christmas, I guess about 3 days ago, I did a quick indoor garden update, which I haven't done in a while. And I was showing about the strawberries, making all the babies and everything. And then like a day later, I noticed that that this one plant made two what do you call it, two babies, which I documented. But then within a day, and now it's 3 days later, I noticed that there's more. So like this one made this one and this one, but now this one popped up. So this one plant right here, which is basically a baby itself, only a few weeks old, is now have three. I've never seen that. I've seen two plants do two, but I've never seen a plant do three. And this guy right here has got the baby here, and then another one growing there. So that's like really interesting. Taking a brief look here, and I don't see any more yet. So yeah, all these babies are popping up, and this little guy here is putting out a baby, didn't even grow yet. So that's something really interesting. Three of them from one plant. So I'll put this in with the other video so you can see that. All right, love yous, bye.